You know how to set up the direct meeting in Zoom? If not, stay tuned and stick around. Hello, good day everyone. Raj here and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share to you a video on how to conduct and host a meeting to your Zoom directly. So let's start. First and foremost, make sure that the Zoom app is already downloaded and installed in your computer or to your mobile. Next, you have to log in with your username and password. So if you have already logged in, this will show in your screen. Now, on the top right of your screen, you can see a tab called Host a Meeting. So when hosting a meeting, you have three options. You can have with video on, video off, or you may just screen or share your screen. Now, I will choose with video on. As soon as you click that tab, you may have to see this option. Now, since the app is already downloaded in your computer, you can just click on Launch a Meeting and this will show in your screen. Now, you may start already the meeting by inviting your participants. So you have to go to the More ellipsis just here at the bottom of the screen. Click on More, and then you will have different options here, which I'm going to discuss and share a video to you next time. But for now, let's go to Invite. Now, you may have to copy the link here below, and you may share it via email. You may have your default email through Yahoo or Gmail. Now I have copied the link. I can share that already to my participants. Now my participants will receive the link and automatically they can join the meeting. Now on the meeting, you may also make sure that your participants or your settings, according to what I have shared to you last time, you may enable or disable the waiting room so that your participants will just directly join the meeting. Enjoy your Zoom meeting. I hope you have learned something today. Till next time. Bye.